Guys, it's July 29th, 2020. I never got a call from a guy. I know he's got a York system there. It's a micro channel. It's a micro channel York leaker. And he's calling me. He says that when the AC's running, they're setting the smoke alarm off. Well, that seems a little odd. So we'll have to go by there and see what's going on with it. It seems like a little bit of an odd thing to happen. We'll see if we got any kind of crazy smell, or maybe we'll run the AC, check the charge on that beast. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots. See if it's something that I could figure out. Maybe it's a bad transformer or something. Usually if the transformer fries, the AC is not going to work. Unless his wife's, maybe his wife's doing some cooking in there and burning down the place. Burning up the food and smoking up the house. I wouldn't doubt that.
Up above your head. Went off like twice. Beep, beep, beep.
So you got the return here.
Shocking when it went
and then it stopped.
Shocking.
And then we waited a little while and it did it again.
Are you burning the toast or the pancakes? No?
No, we were just sitting here.
I wish that were it.
So I shut it off.
Alright, so let's turn it on and I'll check the, so it's on 72. Where's the I want to check, see if there's any CO. Well, so that'd be
Thank you for that.
Just for shits and giggles, right?
That's what I thought set it off. Might have set it off, which is why I shut everything off.
CO, we'll check that, make sure. But she's not burning no food, right?
No, there was nothing like that going on. We were just sitting there doing nothing.
That's kind of odd. I mean, it's possible that it's just the maybe it's just the smoke alarm having an issue, right?
I'll tell you though, there is a smell with this that I don't like. I mean, it smells like oil or something.
Something smelly.
When we walk into the house, if this is on, and we had the same thing with the heat.
Well, don't you got a bad oil tank downstairs? That gone?
That was removed last summer.
That was gone.
And then we had the guys come and clean the vents?
The vent, we had the whole system cleaned. It had a winter,
you can see, it's got a little smell to it right now.
Well, let's go take a look downstairs. Any lights, or I need a light?
The lights are on, but...
See no CO in the house, so that's the main thing.
That's a good thing, yeah, thank you.
That's the main thing, is the CO,
well,
right?
I almost went out and bought a CO detector.
Well, this one will detect 1, 2, 3 parts per million. The other ones won't till like 70,000.
Go out and buy a good one. You know.
Yeah, this is a monitor. So this will monitor.
Okay.
You know, nobody's sick, right?
Nope.
And the water tank is fine. I mean,
beautiful.
There's no.
Actually, one of the things while it's in my brain,
there's no soot around that.
No,
so.
no. One of the things we wanted to ask you was to turn down the fan on this one.
Man, flipping Cobweb City down here.
We never come down.
Oh, look at you got an old dungeon down here. You're probably getting the smell from that. That's probably what it is. I mean, it's just old, dingy ass house, right?
Yeah, but it set off the friggin' alarm.
Yeah, I think you might have a bad alarm up there because this is all sealed,
okay.
Right?
Well, this is.
Let me ask you a question.
You can see this. Put your hand there. You can feel this is blowing out.
Yeah, that's your buddy there that installed that.
Yeah,
kind of did a shit job. Does this filter rack, you block that off too, right, where the filter goes in?
Yeah, my wife just changed it the other day. About 2-3 days ago.
You just got an old house here, and it's just it's just old.
Yeah, but it was the alarm that went off
that really got you. All right, do you want me to check the charge while I'm here?
Oh yeah, please.
All right.
And actually, if you can you turn the fan down? Because when this was trying to cool upstairs.
No, you don't want to turn the fan down because you need the CFMs.
Okay, but because, anyway, we turned it up because we were trying to heat up and cool upstairs. We've since added another thing. and it just wasn't working because there's only one vent going up to 3 rooms.
So we did turn it up?
No, somebody turned it up.
And it's on park, and red's on park. Right now we got it on high coolers on the blue. Okay. I could switch it to red, but it's going to be really low. Okay. I don't recommend you do that.
No, keep it.
I recommend you leave it where it is. Okay. Let's check the charge. It's not on high speed because the high speed's on park. Yep. Low speed's on park. So you got the yellow and the blue. Okay. I would leave it with the blue.
Okay, beautiful.
I mean, you can't, you know, start playing around with the system the way it is. I mean,
see, this thing doesn't go off. You know, we got the alarm.
I think you need to. Is that a battery operated one, or what is?
It's battery, and then it connects up with the other ones. And when the one went off, the one upstairs went off. But it, you know.
Yeah, there's no reason for it to be going off. Yeah. You're gonna need to call the electrician and have him change the. Yep. Change the. If she's not there burning the toast.
Yeah, no toast.
She's not burning the toast.
No, I've done that before. We weren't cooking anything.
Yeah, if she's not burning the toast, and then you got a problem with the.
What freaked me out was when I had the thing in my hand and I just put it over the vent, it went off in my hand right away.
Yeah, well, we got no CO, and I don't see anything. Turn that back on.
What do I need to do? Over here?
Yeah, turn it on, and I'll check the charge outside.
Okay. Yeah, because I come down here and do this because this water will overflow sometimes.
Yeah, you know, you got such a dingy basement down here. Yeah. You're gonna pull some of that nasty smell upstairs. Yeah. I mean, you can't help it.
Yeah, okay.
That's a York. I don't know. It seems to be okay. Yeah, she's fine. It might have been some leaking Schrader cores. That's what it might have been. We'll check it though while I'm here. It don't seem bad. So she's sweating. Charge is fine. Thinking the charge is going to be fine. We'll have to see. It's 410A. Might have been bad Schrader cores in this thing or something. I think I might have. I'm not sure. We'll see. Suction pressure's fine at 144. Subcooling at 11, that's fine. Superheat, because it's got a TXV, it's regulating. That's fine. Must have had, I think I might have fixed the Schrader cores last year. I think that's what it might have been, the leak. I'm not sure. But this is fine, subcooling 12. Superheat at 10. Suction pressure's good, it's with 410A. It's all good. Nothing wrong here with this. I guess it's not a leaker. So that's all good pressures right there. We'll leave that the way it is. 144 on the suction. That's fine. 11 on the subcool for it's TXV. And then the TXV is going to regulate the superheat to 10 or so. 10, 15, whatever. 410A. That's it, right there, that's fine. Well, the York's not a leaker. Surprisingly.